Today we're going to be taking a look at the Amazon Basics wireless computer mouse. But yes, so opening it up here, it's very, very simple. Get it out of the bag. You see, it's pretty simple. It's nothing special. You got your little zoom wheel, your DPI selector, so you can change how fast the cursor is going to move around on the screen. You got some back and forward buttons for web pages, and that's essentially it. And it is also a laser mouse effectively, so it doesn't use a ball or anything like that. It uses laser tracking technologies, so you can basically use it on any type of surface and it should still work, so you don't necessarily have to have a mouse pad with you. And then you've got a couple of controls down here. You've got an on and off button, so you can turn it on and off so it doesn't just waste battery life when you're not using it. You got a connecting button, so you can pair it to whatever device you're going to be using it. And then behind this door here is where you would put your single AA battery. Or you can go and get one of those rechargeable AA batteries if you don't want to have to keep buying new AA's every single time. So you can go that route if you would prefer. Then it does require one of these little Bluetooth dongles to plug into a USB port. So for computers that have a USB-C only connection, such as the later model MacBook Pros and some of the Windows laptops now only support USB-C, this is going to be a little bit of an issue. However, if you happen to have one that has an adapter, you can get one of those little separate USB-C to Type A adapters and just plug it directly on the end of this and just leave it and plug it in anytime you need to use the mouse. So again, for the how often I'm going to be using this, I'm not really worried about that. And then lastly down in here, we have an included AA battery. So you actually do not, out of the box, have to have a battery. So it does come with one straight away. But anyway, that is basically it. I will again update the description below once I've had a chance to use this and how it kind of functions and see if it works. If it doesn't work out very well and I end up returning it, I will again be sure to let you guys know that. And again, update the description accordingly. With that being said, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.